Hey everyone, in today's episode of mini tutorials, let's see how we do the side seam pockets. This is the front side of my shorts and I have finished the dots. This is my side seam. Here is the side seam marked and this is the opening of the pocket. I have marked 2 inches from the side seam and I have marked 5.5 inches here. 5.5 inches. This will be the opening of the pocket and this is the side seam line going, so this is where the pocket will end. And I have taken another piece of fabric. Let me give you the dimensions. It is 11 inches long. Ideally I would suggest you take 12 inches, but this is what I had, so I took 11 inches. I placed it on the shorts like this and I cut it along the seam, and then I have traced this mark here, the exact location of where the pockets will start at and end, and this is the side seam. And then we will stitch here along this side. You are suggested to stabilize the pocket, mouth of the pocket, otherwise it will stretch out over the time. Either you can put a fusible interlining, or what I will do, this is the selvage edge of the sides that has come out. I will put it here and I will stabilize the opening of the pocket. Otherwise, eventually with wear and tear, the mouth of the pocket will stretch out. And after we have put a stitch on this particular line, we will cut out this portion, leaving 1/4 inches of a seam allowance. Like, we'll understitch on the pocket side, we will turn it around like this, and this will become the pocket, like so. So it is that easy. Now let's go to the sewing machine and see how we do it. And in case you have not checked how I achieve these crisp and beautiful dots, you can check my other video which I'll link. You can see me stabilizing the mouth of the pocket as I had mentioned, and this is the wrong side of the fabric. And if you have pasted the fusible interlining, then you can avoid this step. This is not required for them, but for me, I have chosen this method of stabilizing my pocket mouth, so this is what I am doing. And the piece that I am sewing is a cord set, a pair of shorts combined with a waistcoat or a vest on top. If you want to see how I drafted and made it, please comment. I will definitely share the drafting with you. Here we are. This is the front side. This is my pocket. We will match notch to notch and we will stitch right where I have marked with the pencil. Now, as I had said, we will leave 1/4 inch seam allowance and we will cut this off. Alright, done. And now I will understitch, putting all the seam allowances towards the pocket, and backstitch to lock the stitch at the beginning. And I am understitching. So here is the pocket and here you can see the understitching. I will flip it towards the back and iron it. I will be back after ironing. So I am back after ironing, and this is how it looks from the right side. This is how it looks from inside. This will be our new side seam line now. We can attach this portion so as to attach the pocket to the main pants, and this is how it looks. But we have to finish the pocket. I choose to do a French seam. I always prefer French seams. All of you definitely know what a French seam is, so I'm not teaching you that. I'm just telling you we will do the right sides together, and I am running a stitch 1/8 of an inch away from the side. Do not forget to lock your stitches all the time. And then I will turn it right sides out. Wiggle with two of your fingers, and now I will take a little less than 1/4 inch for my seam allowance. you have to be sure that the raw edges are concealed within this seal. They are not visible from inside. And this is how your pocket will look from inside. This is how it will look from outside, like this. I will just attach this portion with the pant so that it does not flip while I'm attaching the waistband. And if you liked this mini tutorial, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and do not forget to share if you think it added a value to your knowledge. Until then, happy sewing and take very good care of yourself. Goodbye.